Hello friends and welcome back to Little Troyer Farm. If you want just a quiet and fun and wholesome video of goats and baby goats enjoying life up in northern British Columbia, then stay tuned for this video. Something to keep in mind if you plan to subscribe to this channel is that I share a lot of realistic farm life, and so that comes with great and fun and cute stuff, but also really raw and real and sometimes hard stuff too. And so I hope you enjoy these cute little faces of Nubian and Nigerian dwarf baby goats. And I must warn you that we do have a lot of boys in this pen, and so you will see some little boy behavior. Even though these guys are only a few weeks old, they think that they are big, tough, macho men already. And so keep that in mind as you watch this video. That is just the realistic side of these little cute gaffers as they explore the great outdoors for the first time.
They're getting raindrops on them. So funny.
Like, he's gonna have a big nose.
He's gonna be very, very handsome. Like, so Sage's is the light one right there, the other light one.
Yeah.
So you want to look at the width. So like right where it connects up at the top, there is scutcheon. You want to look at that one. You want that to be wide. So even the difference between Reba's two girls, right, and the one with wattles is wider. Whoop. You look at the does. They're just like, yeah, happy to eat. I don't have to worry. Trying to play with them. No, not right now. Ooh, skunk! You got wheels, bud. The big ones have been eating a lot more hay, which has been nice.
You watching baby goats? Bouncing around?
Yeah, he sure is acting bucky, hey?
Yeah.
Look at him, he's all feisty.
Where's Honey?
Heard her on the off the side, I think.
Honey, come here.
Oh my goodness. You guys are too bucky right now. Oh my goodness. You guys make it less fun. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, and then he's trying. You guys don't have it figured out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. In our family with young kids, we call that they're practicing breeding is what's happening. And that's about all that they do. So that's really joyful. See, look. Super fun. You guys are terrible.